Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Logistifie tutorial series. Today, we're going to show you how to generate a finance invoice using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, click on the Finance option at the top of the dashboard. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down, select Generate Invoice. Now, to generate an invoice, click on Create Invoice. Then select the account type, whether it's corporate, individual, or subcontractor. Next, select the user from the type of account you've chosen. Enter the date range in the From and To options. You can also choose invoice by job number, card charge, manual invoice, or cash invoice. Once you've made your selections, click Submit. The table below shows a breakdown of services, including job details, pickup and drop-off times, charges, and more. Review the details, then click Generate to create a full invoice. On this invoice, you have the option to manually enter the VAT. Once entered, the final price will be calculated. Then click Generate Final Invoice. Now, on the Invoice Summary dashboard, you'll see the available invoice. You can customize your search by entering the date range, client, and status such as due, overdue, paid, and more. In the Invoice table, at the top right corner, there is an Action option. Here you can update the status of the invoice, approve or unapprove it, or enter optional notes. Enter the paid amount, paid date, and the period, then click Save. Once approved, refresh the page to update the status to approved. To update the invoice, click the icon in the Action table again and enter the new details. These updates will be reflected on the invoice. You can also download the invoice to your device by clicking the download icon. Additionally, there's a mail icon where you can enter your email address to receive the invoice. If you need to delete an invoice, there's a Delete option in the Action table. This will send the invoice to the archive. To find the deleted invoice, go to Archived Invoice in the Finance option. You can restore it by clicking the Restore icon in the Action table, or delete it completely by clicking the Delete icon next to the Restore icon. And that's it. You've successfully generated a finance invoice in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.